Before you choose a Firebase plan, stop right here, because most developers overspend simply by not understanding how Firebase pricing works. The surprising truth is that small usage changes can double or cut your bill in half. Firebase is a backend platform by Google that helps developers build apps with features like authentication, databases, hosting, analytics, and cloud functions. It offers two main plans, a free tier and a pay-as-you-go tier. The free tier is great for testing. It includes limited database reads, storage, and hosting. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They assume free means unlimited. Once you exceed limits, your app stops working unless you upgrade. The paid plan charges based on actual usage. For example, database reads, writes, storage, and function calls all add to your bill. You won't believe what happens next when apps scale quickly. Costs can rise fast without monitoring. So, which plan is right? Small projects should start free. Growing apps should switch and set budget alerts. The surprising truth about Firebase pricing is that awareness saves money. If this guide helped you, subscribe for more developer insights.